Finally, we are going to be able to use the cache network image. And what you have to do is to scroll down and you can see we have this how to use. And what we just have to do is to copy this and back to our VS Code. And then the banner underscore widget, Ctrl and B to make this wide and scroll down. And you can see we have this image.network and we can get rid of this, then call this. And alight and use Ctrl and dot to import this recently added package. Okay. And you can see we have this image URL and we can get rid of this. And then we can call the underscore on our image, and also we want to access each image by their index. And within the cache network image, you can see it has this value known as placeholder, which we basically display whenever it is trying to fetch that image. And if there's any error, it's going to display this icons.error widget. And now what we can do is auto restart this. Okay. And wait for this. Okay, performing auth reload. Okay, and let's go try this out. And now we have to relog in. Okay, Mac at gmail.com. And the password is BEEJAYMAC. Okay, account has been logged in and we have to wait till it finishes. Okay, you can see now it is trying to source for that image and great. And it is not taking the available space, and let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. If it has any, okay, it also do have a property known as fit, and we can say boss fit dot cover to take the available space. Okay, seems cool. And you can see, okay, trying to fetch, and currently it has successfully stored this image locally. And next time, it's not gonna retrieve it from the internet. Okay, successfully stored this locally now and trying to fetch this, and you can see we have the circular progress indicator and fetched. Okay, and instead of showing this circular progress indicator, we're gonna be using something else. Okay, in the next lecture we're gonna do that.